Hi guys, today we're playing Roblox and some of you might know that I have been taking a break for my school and I was just resting, but I decided to make a video. So based on my experience, I really need to buy my outfit for something, and can some of you donate just 100 or 130 Robux, and please donate so I have something to buy. But don't worry, I'm not greedy. Even it's 5 Robux, I'll still take it. I really just need some things. And I'm building my avatar right now, but I've been saving up for the past 4 months. So if anyone of you can help me, please, thank you very much. Just drop your username in the comments if you can donate to me. Thank you. Bye.